In this video, I'm going to show you how to include images in your website as well as what attributes are in HTML. So first, let's download an image. Let's look for HTML. And I'm just going to download this basic image of HTML. Now what you're going to do is save it inside your blog post folder, which is in desktop. And I'm just going to name this logo, and then I'm going to add an author to my website. So you can either put your own picture in it or you can just put a random picture. There's this really useful website called randomuser.me where you can get random pictures of anyone you want. So let's use this picture. So click save and put this inside the blog post as well, and let's call it author. Now I want to use this name as well, so I'm just going to copy this and copy paste it in my HTML document. So make a new paragraph and put the name inside it. Now let's put the images inside the HTML document. So I want to put the image of the author in between these two paragraphs. So the way you do it is you add an image tag. Now what you're going to do is make a new attribute called source. This is the first time you're going to use an attribute, and here you're going to type in the name of the image that you're going to use, and as you can see, it's automatically showing all the images inside the folder. So if I want to put in the image of the author, simply use author.jpg, and now this should show up in your website. Now let's say I want to add the HTML picture before this paragraph, so before the HTML header. So simply go to that and type in image source again, and this time you're going to add the logo.png, and then once you click save, this should show up. So apparently the picture is really big and it's taking up a lot of space. So one more thing you're going to do is you're going to add a name to the picture so that the document, so if the image doesn't show up, it shows some sort of text. So go to the image tag and type in alt, and here you can specify the name of the image. So for logo png, you can simply type in logo, and for the author tag, you're just going to type in author in the alt. So if the images don't show up, then the text will. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can add links to your website.